feel like I haven't done like a proper introduction yet in this video. So hi, good morning you guys. If you guys watch my short videos, you'd know that I've done a lot of like solo date vlogs lately, but I'm so excited for today because first of all, the weather is perfect, and second of all, I'm going to be treating myself to a whole solo date day. I literally cannot see a cloud in the sky. It's like the most perfect weather, so obviously we gotta protect ourselves. I'm putting on some sunscreen before anything else. I made myself a list yesterday evening of all the things that I've been wanting to do but I haven't yet had the time to do, and so the plan for today is literally just to tick off as many things off that list as possible. I want to go to Primrose Hill. I want to get some new ballerinas from this Notting Hill shop. I also low-key want to take the Uber boat because I've always seen people do it and I've never like had the time or like dedication to like go down and actually do it, so we have the weather for it today at least. Before I leave though, I do want to freshen up the flat just a little bit so I come home to like a freshly cleaned flat. So yeah, let's do that first. I'm planning to be out pretty much all day today. I'm having a picnic, I'm going to the shop, I'm going to the Uber boat, so I'm bringing quite a big bag to bring everything with me, so let's pack it. We're bringing this picnic blanket, charger and wallet, water bottle, very important, it's a hot day today. I'm gonna bring myself a little apple as well, sunglasses and keys. And since I'll basically just be bopping around all of London today, having my phone out and filming everything for you guys, I'm also bringing my Casetify case and my Casetify phone strap. Because maybe you know this, or maybe you don't, but London has become a little bit of a phone snatch central recently. I've nearly had my phone snatched 4 separate times, which is kind of crazy. So I now have 3 different phone straps, one for each occasion to keep my phone safe. My red rope strap is my go-to for everyday outfits. My black leather one is perfect for any work outings or if I want to look a little bit more professional. And this metal heart one is perfect for going out. Normally I'd wear the red one for like everyday fits, but I feel like the black leather one is better for my outfit today, so I'll show you guys how I put it on. You pretty much just grab your Casetify case. I got these 2 new ones for summer. This is like a cherry one that's kind of see-through, and this is like a silver mirror one. Again, this one goes better with my outfit, so we're going to choose that one. You take this little strap card and you put it into the charging port hole. You put your phone in, clip the strap onto the case like that, and that's it. I literally swear to my Casetify cases, they're the only thing that keeps my phone from cracking. But I'm like bopping around London, filming absolutely everything and putting my phone everywhere. So I'm so excited that I get to extend my collection with Casetify straps. So if you've been thinking about getting new phone cases or phone straps, go to casetify.com/MaddieBorge and check out all my favorites. Right, okay, I think that's everything for now, so let's go outside. Right, I think my first plan of the day is going to be cycling up to Primrose Hill to spend like an hour and a half there, then grab some lunch. But before that, I do really want to grab a matcha because getting a matcha is, in my opinion, the best way to treat myself. So let's go over there first and then we grab a cycle. Also, I think I literally just saw either the King or the PM drive past me because I literally saw like a barricade of like 15 SUVs plus 10 police motorcycles and a little car in the middle. Oh, and then most importantly, all of these vehicles were followed by a helicopter, tracking them and like literally following the whole party of cars. So any guesses who it was? I'm guessing the King or the PM, but let me know.
Can I have the yuzu matcha spritz, please? And like a large too.
Thank you so much. You guys know I'm like low-key obsessed with Blank Street, and I found out that they have another like hidden menu item. Basically, you can order the watermelon spritz matcha without watermelon, and it's a yuzu spritz matcha that's not on the menu. That is so good.
You see me filming today? Like a me with my little truck? I was always just to say hello. You just saw me on the street and wanted to say hi. And I was always wondering how these videos were taken, and now you know, on a sunny day in London. Nice to meet you. See you later. god, that was so nice. I don't know what happened with me this year, but I've become so fond of cycling recently. Like, I've always been fond of cycling, but I've never done it as much as I have recently. I think something just clicked. I knew my way around more. I felt comfortable cycling on the opposite side of the road a lot more than I have in the past. And I think that like when all of that clicked, suddenly the city felt a lot smaller when I could cycle everywhere. I just love it. All right, we're here. So I'm currently in Regent's Park. I cycled through all this and now we're gonna go up to Primrose Hill. I'm also gonna pop over to my favorite bakery in all of London, Primrose Hill Bakery. They make the best cupcakes and cakes, so I wanna get myself a little treat there as well. Can I have the purple one, please? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's now almost 12:30 and I'm low-key kind of hungry, so let me show you guys everything I bought. I got a serrano sandwich from Joe. I love these and I don't think I'll ever grow tired of them. I also got the most gorgeous little cupcake in the flavor vanilla. I need to stay hydrated. I got some water from home. Also brought an apple from home. And then to entertain myself, I got a new Sudoku book, which I'm really excited about. I bought this book in Norway. It says Sudoku in your pocket for masters. Something I've noticed after I've started doing more things alone, like solo traveling and taking myself on solo dates, is you get really good at observing things and people. London is such a big and crazy city. There's so much going on at the same time. So often when I'm with friends or my boyfriend, I tend to just kind of like focus on the conversation or like what we're doing and kind of like ignore everything else. So it's kind of fun to like take a step back when you're doing things solo and like really focus on what is actually going on around you, or like conversations going on around you. Like when I was at Joe and the Juice just waiting for my sandwich, I overheard the people working saying that Tom Hiddleston was there right before me, which is kind of funny. Like I never would have known that and I like listened in on their conversation. And I think it's like kind of funny because when I envisioned myself doing things solo in the past, like I was not comfortable with it in the past and now I've gotten more comfortable with it. I was low-key scared that I was just gonna be bored and like not entertained while I was doing things alone. But there is so much happening around you in a city like London. When you're alone, you just have to learn to like take it all in, observe it and have fun with it, and that's entertainment in itself. Anyway, it is time to refill my water bottle, so I'm gonna go back up into Primrose Hill to do that, and then we're gonna head down and look for ballerinas because I do want to get some new ballerinas today. Guys, look how cute Hyde Park is today. Literally shoe heaven. Thank you so much. That store was super hectic, but I got shoes. I actually ended up sizing up. I'm normally a 39, but I got these shoes in 40. But how cute are they? They're like the perfect blue color, not too crazy. It fits a lot of my outfits already, but also kind of funky and cute. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. I kind of want to change my outfit for dinner and wear these out because I love them. They're so pretty. Anyway, Theo just called. He's still in the city at work. So I'm gonna go down, take the Uber boat, and then meet him in the city. closest stop to the city?
Sorry?
We're at Liverpool Street Bank.
Liverpool Street, Bankside.
Bankside? Bankside.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I have a San Pellegrino? Lemon, please. Thank you. I feel like such a tourist, but I'm having the best time, so it doesn't matter. Right, that's the city, that's where Theo works. So let's go say hi to him, shall we? Hi! How was work today?
It was good, yeah.
You go outside in the good weather? Yeah, no.
Yeah, a bit, yeah.
Want to see what I bought?
Yeah. Wow, new shoes, very nice.
They're ballerinas! Right, we changed our outfits because we were both like hot and sweaty from the day. And now we're going out for dinner. Look at my shoes!